Guys, please make sure you stand till the end. One common mistake that people often make can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Life. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Chevy Tahoe or Chevy Suburban, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2020. If you need to find where the sound amplifier fuses, relays are located, also known as sound amp fuses and relays, sound amplifier. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. We will explain where you can buy cheap, why it's always important to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them, guys, completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, guys, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays as well, guys. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Guys, we have more than 15,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we'll put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. For the sound amplifier, fuses and relays, where you can expect to find them, guys, we will demonstrate on this generation Chevy Tahoe, Chevy Suburban right here. Both vehicles are built on the same platform, so it should apply to both. The only difference, the Suburban is longer. Most people that own one of these do not know that there are many hidden fuse boxes. That's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel, very helpful video about fuse box location on Chevy Tahoe and Chevy Suburban. So now, guys, for the sound amplifier, two fuses will need to be checked. At first we'll talk about relays in a little bit. Open the passenger door, open, okay, open right here. That cover on the side of the dash, you need to pry it open. Behind it you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So here, guys, two fuses will need to be checked specifically. Then we'll talk about relays, where they're located. Let's zoom in so we can clearly see that. The first fuse is fuse number 26 right here. That's a double fuse, which is known as micro 3 fuse. Now, those are super hard to find or expensive. That's why we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get it from. That way you do not waste money and time. If you come in that row here, you need to check the main fuse is right there. That's the first one that you need to check. The 30 amp fuse is the fuse number 48. That's the one that you need to check. What about relays? For the sound amplifier, you don't have relays. You just have these fuses that are known as relay fuses. If you have problems with the sound amplifier, check these fuses first. So, guys, I want to show you now something. Okay, check this thing out. You have all different kinds of fuses. Fuses, relays, circuit breakers, something that could be really hard to find, and if you're in the middle of nowhere, you don't have a replacement one, you may end up being stuck, guys, in the middle of nowhere, or they can be seriously overpriced. So what we do, we usually buy some spare ones, we put in the glove box for peace of mind. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.